How to export created content on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can export created content on PicsArt. For that, you'll have to open any browser and at the search bar type PicsArt.com. Press enter and you will reach to this page. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now on the home page of the PicsArt, scroll down and here you will see recent projects. Now from here, select any one of the created content you want to export. Click on it and you will reach to the editing space here. Once you reach to this page, at the upper right corner of the screen, you will see export button. Click on that button and a menu will appear. Here you can see download button. Click on download, wait for a while and this created content will be successfully exported. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.